So you are here to learn how to make a feature bounce drop like Mesto, Mylo and Mike Williams? You have come to the right place, because this week we will make a drop like this one. Hello and welcome everyone, I am Samet. Every week I make videos about music, and this week I thought I'd better make a tutorial on how to make feature bounce, because this genre is becoming pretty popular nowadays. Now before we jump right into the video, I want to thank Inztion Zage for this amazing drop melody. Don't forget to check out his channel too. Alright guys, now after setting your BPM to 125, we will make some good chords. So everyone, I want to say something here. If you want to make a good song, you should really make good chords. Because making a chord is the very basic step of creating a song. You create your bass lines and melodies according to the character of your chords. So after creating your chords, now you can finally start making your melodies. While making melodies, be sure that you follow the rhythm of your project. After you are satisfied with your melody, now it's time for layering them. My suggestion here would be that find some good plucky sounds so that your leads are powerful enough. After you layered all of your leads, add some reverb on them and don't forget to sidechain them all. Now it's time for the bassline. To create your bassline, simply go to your chord and copy the lowest note and paste it to the piano roll of your bass. For this genre, bass sounds are usually punchy, so be sure that you choose punchy bass lines while you layer them. And now, after you sidechain your basses too, you can finally add your drums. This week's pro tip is this: find some good FXs and shakers so that your song is more attractive. and now you hopefully know the basics of making a feature bounce drop. If you like this video, don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel, and if you have any suggestions on what video should I make next time, please let me know that in the comment section below. That was all for this week everyone. Don't forget to practice a lot because practice makes perfect. So until the next time, see you soon, stay tuned.